This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chandra Garbarino. This is a rare and unique opportunity for an almost brand new home that shows better than the builder's model homes. When you tour this home, you will understand why the Dockside floor plan from the Estate series is so popular. As you enter through the spacious foyer entry, you are greeted with the spectacular view straight through the open plan living areas out across the sparkling pool to the oversized pond with fountain feature. To the right of the entry is the home office, which enjoys the convenience of a half bath right next to it. Opposite you will find two comfortable bedrooms which share a full bath with double vanities, all separated from the main living space with beautiful custom barn doors. As you proceed through to the living areas, the owners are currently using the formal dining area as an additional living space. This is overlooked by the spacious family room, which in turn overlooks the gorgeous gourmet kitchen with large island and spacious pantry. The enormous glass sliders afford amazing views of the water and fountain, which lights up beautifully at night. And now we are into the fabulous Florida winter season. You will have the enjoyment of indoor/outdoor living when you open that expansive band of glass sliders that pocket back completely, affording you the Florida lifestyle experience to the fullest. This includes not only the gorgeous view, but also the spacious, covered outdoor living, dining and lounging areas, all overlooking the elegant pool. You also have the added benefit of the pre-plumbed area for an inbuilt summer kitchen. Back inside, you have a fourth bedroom which enjoys a private ensuite full bath. The laundry room has the added benefit of custom cabinets, providing excellent additional storage, and leads through the custom dry bar to the kitchen. Finally, the extended master suite provides an elegantly comfortable space with tray ceiling and added sitting area. The master bath has the added benefit of an oversized walk-in shower and a fabulous sea. For more information, review the details below or contact Chandra Garbarino at 954-693-0100.